everyone. In this video, I am going to solve exercise 2.1 relation and function of second chapter from NCERT onward. Question number 5. So here question number 5 is, if set A equal to -1, 1, find A cross A. Okay, we have to find Cartesian product of three set. Set A is given, element is -1, 1. Okay, so as we know, what is a Cartesian product of a three set? The Cartesian product of three set means, suppose A and B and C are three sets. Then Cartesian product of three set A, B into C is equal to a set of all ordered triplet. Okay, a set of ordered triplet means this is A, B, C, such that where A is the element of set A, B element of set B, and small c element of capital C. Okay, so now find the Cartesian product of three set on A cross A. So first we have to find the Cartesian product of two sets, means A cross A is find out by this is -1 into again -1 1. So Cartesian product of A cross A is equal to this is -1, -1, next -1, 1, and 1, -1, and next is 1, 1. Okay, so this is Cartesian product of A cross A. And now find Cartesian product of three set means A cross A, which is equal to, here find out A cross A. This is -1, -1, -1, 1, 1, -1, 1, 1. Okay, into and set A, the set A is -1, 1. Okay, so the ordered triplet is this is -1, -1, -1 into -1, -1, 1. Okay, next -1, 1, -1, and again -1, 1 plus 1. Okay, again paired with 1, -1 with -1, and 1, -1 with 1. Okay, and last is 1, 1, -1, 1, 1, plus 1. Okay, so the ordered triplet is of A cross A. We are here find out. Okay, so So this is required solution. Okay children, now move to the question number 6. In this question it has been said if A cross B equal to the Cartesian product of set A cross B here given. Okay, ordered pair A comma X, ordered pair A comma Y, ordered pair B comma X, ordered pair B comma Y. Then we have to ask find A and B. Okay, we need to find the set A and set B. So we have given here the Cartesian product of A cross B. So as you know, what is a Cartesian product of two set? The Cartesian product of two set is equal to the ordered pair of the Cartesian product of A cross B is a set of ordered pair. Okay, all ordered pair from set A to set B. Okay, this is defined as A cross B where such that X is the element of small a is the element of set A and small b is the element of B. Okay, this means the first component is belong to set A and second component belong to set B. Okay, so here in A cross B, the ordered pair in ordered pair, the first component or first element belong to set A and second element, okay, belong to set B. So set D whose element is, okay, so here this is first component, okay, A is also and B. So therefore the total number of total element in set A is A comma B. Okay, and in set B second component, so this is second component X Y. Okay, so second component is X comma Y. So this is the set we have find. Okay, set A and set B. Okay, further move to the question number 7. In this question it has been given let set A whose element is 1 comma 2 and set B is given 0. Element is 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, set C element is 5 comma 6 and set D equal to whose element is 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 and we have to verify that. Okay, verify A Cartesian product of B intersection C is equal to Cartesian product of A cross B intersection Cartesian product of A cross C. And second, A cross C, we have to show A cross C is a subset of B cross D. Okay, so to verify A cross B union C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross B. Okay, so let us first taking left hand side, this is A cross B union C. So here first we have to find B intersection C. Okay, so B intersection C is equal to B is 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection C is 5, 6. Okay, so the element common in both the set, which is nothing is common, okay, in both the set. So B intersection C, the value of B intersection C is 5. Okay, B intersection C equal to 5. And now find A cross B intersection C. So A cross B intersection C equal to, so here A, the value of A is 1, 2. Okay, and B intersection C is 5. And if you know, in Cartesian product of two set, if any set is empty, okay, so Cartesian product is not defined. So A cross B union C also equal to 5. Okay, null set. So A cross B intersection C is equal to 5. Okay, now find the just find A cross B and A cross C. First find A cross B. Okay, so A cross B equal to A, set A is 1, 2 into, and set B is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now taking ordered pair, so 1 ordered pair, 1 ordered pair, 2 1 ordered pair, 3 1 ordered pair, 4. Next 2 ordered pair 1, 2 ordered pair 2, 2 ordered pair 3, 2 ordered pair 4. Okay, 2, 4 ordered pair 2, 4. So this is Cartesian product of A cross B. And also find the Cartesian product of A cross C. A cross C. So Cartesian product of A cross C. A is 1, 2 into C is 5, 6. So therefore 1, 5 ordered pair 1, 6 and ordered pair 2, 5. Next ordered pair 2, 6. Okay, and now finally find the intersection of Cartesian product A cross B and A cross C. So intersection of Cartesian product A cross B, A cross C is equal to, okay, find the common element in both the set of Cartesian product. So now observing which ordered pair is common in both the set. So this is 1 comma 1, nothing here. 1 comma 2, nothing. 1 comma 3, nothing. 1 comma 4, not present in A cross C. 2 comma 1, okay. So here we have find out no any ordered pair common in both the set A cross B and A cross C. So this is also equal to 5. Okay. So we have verify the first part, means A cross B intersection C equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. Okay. So let's verify the first part of question number 7. Okay. Now move to the second part. In second part we have to show that A cross C is a subset of B cross D. So first point A cross C. So you find out A cross C. The ordered pair is 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. And next point, okay, A cross C equal to 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 1 comma 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. And B cross D equal to B cross D. So B is 1 5. This is 1 5, 1 6, 1 7, 1 8. Okay. Next is 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 2 comma 8. This is 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 3 comma 7, ordered pair 3 comma 8, and last is ordered pair 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 4 comma 8. Okay, so this is the Cartesian product of B cross D, and we have to show A cross C is the subset of B cross D. So A cross C is the subset of B cross D if every member of A cross D also belong to A cross C. Every member or every element of A cross D also present in B cross D, then we can say A cross C is a subset of B cross D. So here 1 5 is also belong to B cross D. 1 6 also here. 2 5, this is here is 2 5 in A cross C and 2 6. Okay. So dear children, finally say that A cross C is subset of B cross D. Okay. We have also verified A cross C is subset of B cross D. So this is the required solution of question number 5, 6 and 7.